Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fatanah Yudi, ID 2104238 in this video, I will make a final semester assessment from Mr. Ipermana. I just present my final assessment, uh, exploring the role of the sharing economy disaster management. Number one, introduction and research design, the social economic impact of disaster on the people and societies and eradicated over the last year. In 2019, sudden onset disaster such of floods, hurricanes, and earthquakes affected or 25 million people and caused US 17 billion in economic damage. Pre- and post-disaster logistics in central to saving life and alleviating the suffering of affected people. The sharing economy is an economic model based on sharing, swapping, bartering, gifting, trading, or renting access to product on as opposite to ownership. The SA enables sharing goods, service, ideas, information, and skill through a network of individuals facilitated through social network and website via computer, mobile application, and another information system over the internet. Although several reports on the benefits of incorporating the SA in disaster, literature calculates that can foster a systemic evaluation of the SA in disasters management. Our study aims to explore and hit light on the role of the SA in disaster management. We follow exploratory approach the address to RQ and contribution of our paper in twofold. Next, number 2, literature review. We conducted and systematic review of the peer-reviewed academic literature to entity and collect many logistic related application and the SA in the disaster as we call. To conduct the review, we use the following search string and in the Web of Science and Scopio database. With the increasing development in the SA, many different similar and related terms have been used in the literature for the SE. Collaborative economy and peer-to-peer. What role does SA play in disaster management? Return of or open coding show multi-path role for the SN in disasters as listed in table 2. Some of the review paper referred to the active role that the SA play in responding to disasters. We note that the adjustment level as well as the capacity and the capability of the SA have been considered differently in this paper. However, they have completely discarded the say with respect to other response. Conceptual framework. Given to above findings, we now propose a conceptual framework as shown in the table 3 to demonstrate the role of the SA in disasters. Next, number 3, case study. 260,000 were displayed due to the widespread impact. The province of Galestan, Fakhazistan, and Lorostan were the most severely affected area. That widely spread affected poor communication, traffic congestion, and transportation and shelter shortfalls. Responders face considerable challenges to address the urgent needs. Does SA have a role in the disaster management? According to the interviews, the 2019 Iron Flood response was their first experience with SA-based companies assisting during a disaster in many different ways. One interview mentioned that Digikala followed a successful campaign of relief distribution based on individual needs. We thought that Digikala modified its online platform to facilitate callings, aid, and distribution of relief beds on need assist by ERCS. Digikala put a link to the result of need assessment results on their homepage on overhead required item with discounts. People as consumers could buy clothes, workout, and hike kids from Digikala and Digikala consolidated the relief item for the day. The collected aid was the sent to ARC offices in the different provinces. Number 4, this question it are related in a lot of coordination between us during the flood response. We had a meeting after the flood with involved SA, BSET companies, and I think it will improve net cooperation in disaster response. Another challenge was anatomy and look of tours. One interview noted that we called tours the free service overrated. Differ because we don't know what is behind the offer. Also, official announced that a warning not about the offers because some of them were fraud and fake. We elaborate on these two issues in the following. Feedings regard the coordination and collaboration issue super previous literature then notice and challenge in the public-private collaborations. Next, number 5, conscious advanced information and communication technology and vision a more effective and efficient disaster response in the future. The sharing economy is commonly described as a model using ICT and social media to promote the sharing and use of agents, and it revisits positive action in the literature of the last few years. So, difference of sharing reduces incurred interest for disease responder who often have access to limited motory and non-motory research while dealing with health demand in the affected areas. Okay, sorry if there is something wrong, and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.